I've lived through probably way more cycles of going through the centralization, decentralization, probably than most people here. I'm just an old fart. But when you think about how these companies are going to make money, I remember we had centralized mainframes, and then all of a sudden, in order to continue to make money, they'd sold all the mainframes that were there, and so they decided to decentralize. Think about the IBM mainframe, and then think about the AS400 or the System 32 or 34 or 36 or 38 or whatever that might be. They went from centralized to decentralized. Then they go again from, if you want to think about it, timeshare is really the same thing as the internet by a different name. It's the same thing as, you want to think about it slightly differently, it's SaaS by a different name. These things have been here before, but they'll typically run about 8 to 10 year cycles on the centralization versus the decentralization. Because if they all stayed on the same path and everybody kept trying to sell mainframe, you're going to run out of places to sell it. And so you have to change the rules of the game. And I think we're going to continue to see that. Whether it's going to be centralized, whether it's going to be decentralized, whether it's going to be edge, whether it's going to be on the shop floor, it's still going to be going back and forth cyclically in order for these companies to continue to make money.